How to disable security notifications on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable security notifications on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top. Click on it and then click settings, and here you will find account and then click this one, security. And if you want to disable it, just click on it here, one click, and then go back, it will be saved. And that's how to disable it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.